righty, we're here at the Dallas Tool Show, Mac Tools 2023, Dallas, Texas. And we have a great new tool, also an older tool we've been showing for about a year, but it's been repackaged also for the person who just wants to bear. This is Elle from Mac Tools, who is going to explain exactly what we have and the features and benefits of this amazing 4-volt cordless screwdriver. Tell us all about it, Elle.
Okay, great. So the 4-volt cordless screwdriver charges in 70 minutes, sets up to 1,300 screws per charge. I actually charged this 2 days ago and have been using it as a demo. And you can see with the 3-stage light indicator that the battery is still green, which means there's a ton of battery left. So the 3-stage indicator is green, orange, and red to indicate that you might need to recharge. Forward and reverse functions, as well as the flashlight here. And I'd like you to try to stop that with your hand if you can.
Oh, that's going to cause a blister. Wow, that's got some torque on it.
Yeah, it does. So 2 different packaging options available. You have your 52-piece set, which we launched last year at Tool Fair 2022. And you open it, it's in some nice packaging. You have your bits, you have your socket adapter, and also the charging cord. Or if you're not interested in purchasing the bits, you can purchase the 6-piece set instead, and it's about half the price.
So this is awesome. Now we will be carrying this on the BD Tools truck, and if you are not on my route, talk to your Mac Tools distributor, because this is a game changer. Customers who've already purchased this love it. It is small, it is compact, it works great for interior work on the vehicles, and it's just awesome. And here's the really cool thing about this. Father's Day is coming up, Mother's Day is coming up. This is a great house tool for your father, your mother. You got someone in your family who's a gearhead, so either the kit with all the bits, ready to rock and roll, go into your jam bag, or just all this ready to rock and roll in your toolbox, because you already got all the bits that I've sold you, the 123 piece or the 121 RBRT, and now you have your electric driver. Well, we do appreciate you. If you're not subscribed to the page, please like and subscribe to the page, and talk to your Mac Tools distributor if you are not on my route, because these are awesome and it is a Mac Tools exclusive. Elle, thank you very much.
Thank you. Take care.